When you look at Mount Everest, it feels ancient, timeless, unchanging. It stands taller than clouds, taller than airplanes, taller than almost everything on Earth. So here's a surprising fact. Mount Everest is still growing. Every year, it rises by about 4 millimeters. That's roughly the thickness of a pencil tip. But how can a mountain grow if rocks don't move? The answer lies deep beneath the Earth's surface. Millions of years ago, Earth looked very different. There were two giant tectonic plates, the Indian plate, the Eurasian plate. These plates slowly moved toward each other. When they finally collided, something incredible happened. The land between them had nowhere to go, so it crumpled upward, just like when you push two ends of a rug together. That slow, powerful collision created the Himalayan mountain range. And at the very top of it all, Mount Everest was born. Here's the key part. The Indian tectonic plate is still moving. Even today, it pushes northward into Asia at a speed of about 4 to 5 centimeters per year. That's about as fast as your fingernails grow. This constant pressure keeps forcing the land upward, making the Himalayas and Mount Everest grow taller. You might wonder, how do we know Everest is growing if it's only a few millimeters? Scientists use GPS satellites, laser measurements, seismic sensors. In 2020, Nepal and China officially remeasured Everest. They confirmed its height as 8,848.86 meters, and future measurements may show it even taller. Yes, the world's tallest mountain may still break its own record. Mount Everest isn't just a mountain. It's proof that Earth is alive. The ground beneath us moves, plates collide, land rises, mountains are born. Even something that feels permanent is still changing. So next time you see a picture of Mount Everest, remember this: you're not just looking at the tallest mountain on Earth. You're looking at a mountain that's still growing. Slowly, silently, but relentlessly, just like our planet itself.